Welcome! Artz-Drones is proud to present our 2D aerial mapping showcase of Beechwood Cemetery. Captured using the Matrice 4 Enterprise drone at altitudes ranging from 220 to 300 feet, adjusted based on the terrain, this high-resolution 2D render was completed in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. A total of 1,178 photos were processed through DJI Terra, resulting in an impressive ground sampling distance of 1.68 centimeters per pixel. This wasn't our first visit. We were here just last month in April, and already we've observed noticeable changes throughout the site. Time passes quickly, and so does progress. We visited Beechwood Cemetery around the same time last month to produce our first 2D render of a small section of the grounds. That flight followed the same parameters as this month's mission. This earlier render will serve as the baseline for a side-by-side comparison with our latest flight, allowing us to clearly observe any changes that have occurred. Here, using DJI Flight Hub 2, we're able to view a side-by-side comparison. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the mapping captured on April 17th. On the right side, the full coverage recorded on May 20th. This split view allows us to observe and analyze the changes across the property with clarity and precision. These flights were conducted with RTK, real-time kinematic, enabled, ensuring high-precision georeferencing. You may notice how the lines and key features align perfectly between last month's map and this month's. This consistency provides a reliable baseline of performance data, one we can depend on month to month and year to year. It's the foundation for long-term site monitoring and change detection with confidence. With these maps, we have the ability to create interactive experiences, allowing users to click on any gravesite and instantly view a pop-up window containing all the details related to that specific plot. This feature is extremely useful not only for accessing vital information, but also for maintaining organized digital records of the cemetery grounds. Artz-Drones can provide this functionality as either a locally installed application or a fully web-based solution, customized to fit your specific needs. Additionally, we offer barcode integration. Each barcode can be scanned to instantly direct users to the exact GPS location of a loved one's plot within the cemetery. This adds a modern, convenient way for visitors to navigate the grounds with ease. If you're interested in any of these services, feel free to reach out to Jose at artzdrones.com. Once again, thank you for watching. Artz-Drones out.